Hello friends! In this video I will make coconut cookies. They will turn out slightly crispy since they do not contain fats. You will find the list of ingredients as always in the description under the video. We beat the egg white. For this we will need clean, degreased and absolutely dry utensils without a single drop of water. Only in such utensils will the egg white whip well. Beat the egg white until a light foam forms. Then, in several additions, add vanilla sugar and powdered sugar, continuing to beat. When the meringue becomes thick and white, as shown in the video, add flour and gently mix with a spatula. Add coconut flakes and also mix well with a spatula until homogeneous. I line the baking tray with parchment paper. Using 2 spoons, I place the finished dough, shaping the cookies as shown in the video. I send the cookies to bake in a preheated oven. The temperature and baking time, as always, I will indicate in the description under the video. These cookies will not be soft and crumbly since they contain no fats. They have a denser structure and will appeal to those who like exactly this type of cookies. Enjoy your tea. See you again, friends.